guys. Didn't video again, forgot it. Made a draw knife today out of the leaf spring like that down there. Bit of leaf spring, so had some handles I got from China, just whack them on. Seems to cut it alright. Bit hard doing it one-handed. Cut pretty good. Got to work on the sharpening a bit more, but it's not bad. It'll do me. I say it'll do me. So there you go, guys. Little draw knife. I want to start getting in woodwork and stuff and making my own handles and stuff for hammers and things like that. And love woodwork. It's good. So there you go, guys. I'll try and start doing video on everything I'm doing. I think I showed you the refractory the other day. I got this really good refractory in the forge. Jeez, it's good stuff. Hard as anything. That's what you want. Sorry guys, there's a fight next door. Anyway, I might switch off now. And catch us next time on the roundabout. Len's signing off. Bye for now.